Welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue writing our simulation program in Python. During the previous video, we drew the walls of the room. Today we will add code to draw the ball. I will start by creating a new turtle. So this turtle, I will call it ball. I will say ball, it's equal turtle. I will make this ball in the shape of a circle. So I'll say ball dot shape circle. I will color it red. So ball dot color red. So I will quickly run this program. So we have the walls, then we will have the ball at the end. The ball should be drawn in the original position, so at the x and y coordinates 0 and 0. This ball has a radius of 10, so let's just write down radius is equal 10, and I want to have it in this upper left corner, so x will be the x of the left wall, it's negative L plus the radius. The y would be the y of the ceiling, that is L minus R. Then I do not want the ball to be moving, so I will say Vx is not moving horizontally, it's 0. Vy is not moving vertically, it's 0. Now I just have to move my ball at the x and y coordinates. So I am first taking the ball up, ball that pen up, and then ball that go to x, y. This ends the drawing of the ball in its initial position. So let's just run it. I have the walls and then the ball in the upper left corner. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.